Please, this resistible machine is being invented by me. It is a water detector, or you can use it to detect all kinds of liquid, petrol, diesel, or oil. This machine, I'm going to demonstrate to you for you to watch how it works. You'll be happy. This machine, you place it or you put it at your farm, and whenever it rains at your farm, it will blow an alarm, and at the same time it will automatically give you a phone call for you to get to inform that it has rained at your farm. And this machine too, you can also insert it in your poly tank. Whenever it's about to overflow, this machine will blow an alarm, or it will give you a phone call for you to be aware that your poly tank is being overflowing, so that you will go and put it off. Again, this machine can automatically put the poly tank off for you based on how it will be made, so that we may not stress ourselves to go and put the poly tank off. So I'm going to do the demonstration for you to know how it works. I'll pour some little amount of water here. So whenever the water touches the sensor, this device will blow an alarm and call my phone. Already, I've registered it with my mobile phone number. So right now, let me do the demonstration for you. So right now, it will call. If there is no water, it will cut. So let me cut the cord and do it one more. So if there is water, then it will pour again. So this one, it uses a phone call. Irrespective of wherever you are, it will just call you for you to know that it is raining at your farm. You just saw the number that it is raining. So please, thank you.